Now we've got our smoky bourbon barbecue marinade, which we're going to serve with some chicken thighs, some chicken drumsticks. I've just scored them in a little bit to help with the cooking on the barbecue, and also I'll let that marinade get right inside there. Got a lot of flavour in it. Again, really simple to use. Just liberally apply the marinade, mix it around well. Again, making sure that you get the marinade completely covering the chicken into the grooves that I cut in there as well, so that the flavour penetrates right in. Make sure they're really well coated. It's got a really great smoky bourbon flavour to this, which we did the Tennessee pork earlier on, but both complement each other, giving you two different types of barbecue flavour. Tennessee, it's got a little bit more herb going on with it, whereas this is a little bit sweeter and it's got more of that smokiness that you'd expect from a true American barbecue flavour.